So we'll solve this question. The question is so given a square matrix of size n cross n, the task is to rotate it by 90 degrees in anti-clockwise direction without using any extra space. Okay, now we'll look at the example, but let's look at the time and space complexities first. Okay, so our expected time complexity is O n square, which means we'll have to traverse through each element, and expected auxiliary space is O of 1, that is no extra space can be used. Okay, so given is a 2 cross 2 matrix which we have to rotate it by 90 degrees, which will look something like this. So for this question we will get the solution by two steps. For the first step we will transpose the matrix. Now what is transposing a matrix? It is to change the rows into columns and columns into rows, and for the second part we will reverse the columns. That is, we'll just swap the first row with the last row and just move our way into the middle. Okay, now let's look at the program. Okay, now similarly the program has two parts: to transpose the matrix and to reverse the column. For the first part we have, for int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, which is for the rows, and for int I equals to, for j equals to I, j less than n, and j plus plus, and we swap the ij element with the ji element. Now how do we do that? Okay, so as we can see, when I equals to 0, as j starts from I, j will start from 0 and go up to n, that is 2 here. So for the first element, when I equals to 0, j also is 0. So ij will as swaps with ji, that is 0 0, so swapping will have no effect. But for the second position, that is when I equals to 0 and j equals to 1, now ij, that is 0 1 position element, which is 2, will swap with 1 0 element, that is 4. For the last one, when I equals to 0 and j equals to 2, the elements swapped will be 3 and 7, which is the elements at 0 2 and 2 0 position. So 3 and 7 elements will swap. Then we can move into the next row. When I equals to 1, j will start from 1. Okay, and when I equals to 1 and j equals to 1, similarly this swapping will have no effect. And finally, for when I equals to 1 and j equals to 2, 6 elements, 6, that which is at position 1 2, will swap with element at position 2 1, that is 8. So 6 and 8 will swap positions. And for the last row and last element, will have, when I equals to 2 and j equals to 2, our row and column are same, swapping will have no effect. Now that the matrix is transposed, we'll move into a reverse part. Now to reverse the column, the elements from starting row will just swap with elements from the last row, and similarly for the elements at the second row will swap with the elements with second row from last, and we'll just move into the middle. We have just written the same thing here actually. You can see the program, and finally by reversing the column we'll get our elements like this, and this is now, and our row is reversed. Okay, and after reversing the columns we'll get our final solution. Thank you.